Hey guys, so this is how the snow blizzard has been so far. My car is totally covered. I wanna try and see if I can be able to plow it and see if I can at least try and start my car this way. The battery doesn't go flat. Yeah, if you look around, you can see that there's no movements going on here. Everybody is in the house. I was trying to plow my car, but it is what it is. I'm just gonna go back in the house, and yeah, probably gonna come back again tomorrow and try and get some snow out.